By the end of this video, you will know how to download the gene sequence, messenger RNA sequence, coding DNA sequence, and protein sequence. Let's get started. Go to NCBI, select database gene. Now select the gene that you are interested in, the gene of interest, and search it. Select the gene of interest, open the record. All the information about the gene is present here. Directly go down to this page in a genomic region, go to nucleotide and select FASTA format. Congratulations, you have downloaded the complete genomic DNA sequence, the genomic DNA for your selected gene. You can download the file here and you can also copy this sequence and directly paste it in a notepad file. Now let's download the messenger RNA sequence. Go back to the main page of NCBI. Select the gene whose messenger RNA you want to download. Suppose this is the gene whose sequence of messenger RNA you want to download. Click on this gene. This is the information of the whole gene that you selected. Go to the transcript section. Here is the transcript section. Select any transcript whose information you want to download. Go to FASTA record and select NM. This is the accession number for messenger RNA. You can select it. Congratulations, this is the sequence of messenger RNA. You can download the sequence of your mature messenger RNA from here or just directly copy the sequence and paste in your notepad file. Unlike of genomic DNA of the gene, messenger RNA does not contain introns, it only contains exons 5 and 3 UTR regions. Now let's download the coding sequence of the gene. Suppose you want to download the coding sequence of BRCA1 gene. Select the gene, open it, go down, select the download option. Here select what you want to download. You can download from this download option any sequence. Here I want to download coding sequence in a FASTA format. Just select this and download it. The zip file will be downloaded in your downloadable section. Congratulations, your coding DNA sequence is downloaded now. You want to download protein sequence? Go to main page, NCBI, select gene protein database here. Select protein database. Select the name of the protein you want to download. Suppose this is BRCA1 that you want to download. Open it. Scroll down the page. Select the protein of interest and check the organism name. Check the protein of interest and organism name that you wanted to download. Suppose you want to download from protein BRCA1 from Homo sapiens. Select this. Directly on a main page of the protein information, go to FASTA. Click on FASTA. And congratulations, the FASTA sequence of your protein is downloaded here. Download it from here or just copy paste this sequence in the notepad file. Now you have downloaded the amino acid sequence of the protein encoded by your gene. So today you learned how to download genomic DNA, messenger RNA, CDS and protein sequence from NCBI. In the next video, we will learn how to use these sequences for different bioinformatics tools such as BLAST, sequence alignment and much more. And next question is, what can we do with these all sequences? In the next video, I will show you how to use them in the BLAST to identify similar genes and proteins. So make sure you watch the next tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your classmates. Thank you for watching and I will see you in our next video.